Hi guys, and welcome to get another excited video tutorials. Please note that 9 colors. Create rectangle. Go to gradient and pick up first 3 colors. Radial gradient. Type any text as you want. Select font. Pick up color code 4. Fill off. Go to Appearance if you don't show that, then go to Window. Appearance. Add New Fill. Fill 1 picked up gradient color code 4 and white. Path. Offset path. Offset subtract 1. Add transform effect. Copy. Fill 2, add gradient color code 5, 6 and 7. Offset delete. Change transform effect, horizontal and vertical, 1 point. Copy. Fill 3 same. Fill 3 copy. Fill 4 pickup color 8. Offset path 1 point. Again, fill 3 copy. Change transform effect. Add offset path. Add inner glow. Copy. Pick up black color. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.